Compra. I'd like to make a shout out happy birthday to Teng Monares Compra. Thank you for watching my videos, ma'am, and thank you for subscribing. More power and have a good birthday. This is day 64 of my budget bungalow build. I was not able to film them yesterday on their last hour or what's the result for today, but I'm expecting them today that they will be installing the PVC door. I have the lock for the PVC door to see if they have installed it, and also if he has changed the lock on the old couple's door, because they were complaining that they lock it inside and a kid just open it up. So hopefully it's all going to be sorted now, and also it will be exciting to see how much rendering they have done. Have we finished the rendering? Then we only had to be cleaning up the floor. And I told you that I won't be putting any ceiling because they're not used to having ceiling anyway. And why should I make it more all ready for the ears to inherit? Because that's what they're all excited about, the ears. Because I'm really disappointed what happened to the old woman. It's their personal problem, but you can see for yourself, for you're there, who's caring for the old woman and who's not among the heirs. Like she needs to be bathed and all that. So here we are here and wonder what he's doing. So this has been done yesterday when I left the squaring of this column, because that side here was done yesterday morning, and so they will be finishing this and also this corner. It's been cleared out, and the squaring of this door towards the kitchen as well, and rendering of this one. So a few more a day or two of the squaring and rendering, including the window there that needs to be squared and the header done, and this one here on the bedroom. Then we're almost there. And so we're gonna have to make another door here towards the kitchen and also continue the rendering up there. And also the other two walls, they have started what side of it, the one that Janelle's facing. So that was done yesterday afternoon while I'm gone. So in here they still have to square that off because this still hasn't done on the top. And I think we're gonna have to continue like a little header there just to finish it off, just to make sure that the header of the frame of the PVC door will be protected.
Juga kino natin, diba sinilikwat na siyang anak? Nilikwat mo? Yun siya, niingon nga ba? Kihiyutan mo pa yun?
So there's like the door, PVC door is a bit tight when you close it. It catches
Daot yun. Kaya sa roke, kaya sa kanang anak ko.
Oo.
Kaya masir naman.
Yang ini tao niya lagi masalat yan eh.
Ha?
May tao sa lapin eh.
Problema ko. Hindi na naman. Ina ang nagbangag.
Ay, okay rin natin, oy. So the door was installed, but there's a bit problem here because it catches on the lock. So he's sorting when they come back after lunch. So far they've done so much yesterday when I left. So there's also a bit of rendering done inside here. So that will be the one left to do. This one here, the wall, and the putting of the header on that top of the toilet wall, and the squaring of this window, and the squaring of that other door, and the making of the door. And that's it. We'll just be waiting for the windows that I can pick up. I'm here right now in Ayala Center, Cebu Metro Groceries, because as you can see in my latest video, I was not able to go through Mandaue City to get my groceries. I was testing it yesterday, but I was stopped by the military man that if you're not working in Mandaue, you're not allowed to go in if you don't have a certification from the company you're working. So I gotta have to make do of what is available for me just around Cebu City, although it's said that we are now on general community quarantine, but we are still hold back to go in to do shopping or recreational purposes in Mandaue City. So I'd like to address, while I'm here waiting for my queue to go in the grocery, the comment of Donald Collins. I agree with you. Tools should be the right tools needed for the job. But when I went to the, I have been to so many hardware stores, I have never seen a 17-inch yet. Usually, they don't have the tools that you need, or they don't have the size that you need. So it's either you make do what's available most of the time. But it's intriguing because I only seen so far, the biggest I've seen is 9-inch. I would love to see a 17-inch. And also, Adrian Toki, regarding the timber, the lumber measurements that you send, those measurements cannot be found on here in our hardware lumber shops because they do standard sizes, 1 by 2 by 10, 2 by 2 by 8, 2 by 2 by 10, 2 by 2 by 12. But I haven't seen the measurement that you send me. But the good news is I had a friend who's a lumberjack, and we can ask him to cut the sizes that you need, and also the kind of wood that you require. And I'd like to greet a happy birthday to Tang Monares Compra. Have a good day, ma'am, and thank you very much for watching my videos and being my subscribers. More power to you, ma'am. So we are still the same as the ECQ. Social distancing is a must. Everyone has to wear masks and protection. I always have my mask and my gloves. And we still have to queue up because you can't go inside all at once like it used to be. You just go in anytime you want. It has to be counted like it was in the ECQ. But at least a lot of establishment has opened now. A lot of people's gone back to their jobs. But the main problem now is their transport going back and forth because the jeepneys are also reprimanded that they need to observe social distancing. So there's not a lot of passengers that can fit in the jeepney because it needs to be on distance. They are now getting strict on that one. And hopefully it soon be over. But of course, everyone in the world fear for the second wave. So I'd like to make sure that if I was prepared during the first wave, I want to make sure that I'm prepared for the second wave. So I'm not going to be hoarding. I'm only going to need my essentials so that I will be prepared for the second wave, that I won't be keep on going down the city anymore. But I do learn a lesson from those lockdown, because it makes me appreciate when you go down, that do everything at once, and it will be next week before you can go down again, or 2 weeks time, so which is quite really economical and a good lessons for me and my family. So I could see there's a lot of people now going out. The department stores have opened up, so you can see them going up there to the first floor of the mall.